And we're doing our presentation on operating systems, basically what they do and some basic versions of operating systems and competitors. And the first thing we're going to come to is what is an operating system? An operating system is basically the fundamental software that contains a group of programs that lays the base for the interaction and control of the hardware. So any input's going to go through the operating system to control the hardware. And then there's many abilities of an operating system. First is that the users can control the hardware. It translates your input. And it also manages the memory, manages the input and output devices like a keyboard and a mouse, and it stores and manipulates files and organizes them in the computer. It also provides a user interface, which is what the user can see. It formats disks, it communicates with peripheral devices, and it captures the input and presents the output for the user. The importance of an operating system is everything that is going on in the computer has to go through the operating system to get to the hardware. It's a gateway to the hardware in a way. It interacts with applications, so apps are built to go with a certain operating system, and the user interface defines the user experience, which in turn causes many users to prefer a Mac or a PC based on the operating system and the ease of use. There are a couple other forms of operating systems. They're not strictly for personal computers. The other operating systems include mobile operating systems, industrial operating systems, and embedded operating systems. The first type, mobile operating systems, are the operating systems that empower smartphones. They're quickly evolving to have more and more capabilities like normal computers. Some common ones are Android, BlackBerry, and the iPhone. And there are many app-based softwares. Industrial operating systems are for large companies or large networks that require a server. They're much more powerful than personal ones and can run multiple processors. The final type of operating system is embedded, and these are used for special purpose computer-driven devices with limited functions. They include GPS, medical equipment, cars, elevators, TVs, and many others. And Jake's going to tell us about different personal operating systems.
All right, one operating system is Microsoft Windows. 90% of current operating systems is Windows. It's important people to know Windows because of its wide use. And Windows 7 is currently the operating system used by Windows. It has many different editions so that it can be used in the home or the workplace or wherever it's used best. Improvements to Windows 7 from before: it has greater stability than Windows Vista, its ease of access, and the multiple windows on the desk. Mac OS is another operating system. It's native for Apple computers. It's simplistic in use, but also very powerful in its tasks, and its remarkable graphic capabilities. Mac OS X is liked over Windows for its simplicity. It's relatively safe from virus and malware in comparison to Windows, and Snow Leopard is the newest version. It's built on the Unix operating system. Users of Macs rely on applications by Apple such as Fire, iChat, and other applications like Windows for Mac can be bought for an additional price. Improvements are made every year, every couple of years. And the additions are named after large cats such as the puma, jaguar, panther, tiger. Linux is a free operating system, and it's used on PCs, and it's an open source, so that means that anyone can go in and make their own software basically and manipulate it to the way they want it. Advantages of this is it's free of charge, but allows users to develop utilities, applications, and enhancements to the operating system. Many customized versions are created due to the ease of making it accessible.